Hello, we are from C1T3. I'm Belen.
I'm Karunisa.
I'm Danya.
And my name is Zikri.
So, for today, we will discuss about empirical formula based on combustion data.
So, what is empirical formula?
Empirical formula is formula that shows the simplest ratio of atoms for element present in the compound.
So, what is combustion reaction?
The product of complete combustion reaction include carbon dioxide CO2 and vapor water H2O. The reaction typically gives off heat and light as well. So, these are the general equation for combustion. The X, Y, Z will be replaced depend on the hydrocarbon that we use. Also, hydrocarbon being burst will always produce carbon dioxide and water.
This is how to get the empirical formula for propane by using the equation.
Let's look the question.
A 0.5438 gram sample of liquid contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen burned in pure oxygen gas and obtained 1.039 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.6369 gram of water. The molar mass of compound is 376 gram per mole. Find the empirical formula.
First of all, we have to write the chemical equation. After that, we have to find the mass for each element. Now, we do have calculate mole for each element.
Then we divided it all the element with the smallest number of moles. And now we get the empirical formula, which is C2H6O.
That's all from us for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon.